Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Yesterday I made a video on something and I had to remove guidelines, and I was clicking on the guidelines and hitting delete one at a time. And then somebody suggested, and I never had known this. So when your guidelines aren't, let me bring this in a little closer. When your guidelines aren't selected, they're blue. When you select a guideline, or you can actually change the colors, but on mine it's red. So you've got a guideline selected. If you will hit Control A, that selected all the guidelines, and then hit delete. All your guidelines are gone. That's pretty cool. Then I started thinking, there is a couple other ways to do it. None of them are going to be that fast. But what you could also do is go to Edit, select all guidelines, and then hit delete. Or the other way, just to let you know, go to Windows, Dockers, and Guidelines, and there's all your guidelines. And if you will select the top guideline, hold down your Shift key, and select the bottom guideline, that selected them all, and you can hit delete. And so I thank that viewer or subscriber for giving me that tip. I never realized you could hit Control A, select them all, and hit delete. And this is really just part one of two. I'm going to make a macro that will even be faster than that. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.